Hi viewers, class 12th CBC Mark Calculator 2021. As per notifications, 12th CBC Mark Calculator, there are three elements. Element 1 class 12, element 2 class 10, element 3 class 11. So class 3 elements are taken. So as per notifications, class 12 marks based on unit test, midterm test, pre-board exam in 40 marks. Class 11th mark based on theory component of final exam in 30 marks. Class 10 mark based on average theory component of best 3 performance subjects out of 5 subjects in 30%. So 12th 40%, unit test, midterm test, pre-board exams taken. Class 11th only theory component, final exam only 30% only. Class 10 mark based average component best 3 performance subjects in out of 5 subjects 30% only. So 12th 40%, 11th 30%, theory only, 10th average best 3 30% only. As per notification, in the class exam, bifurcations of subjects in theory and practical internal assessment in various subjects as follow. So theory marks 80, practical 20, theory 70, practical 30, theory 60, practical 40, theory 50, theory 30, practical and internals 70, total out of hundreds. Hi viewers, I like this video, please subscribe my channel and notifications also. 12th CBC mark calculators, as per notifications, the mark based unit test 40%, 12th, 11th 30%, theory component, 10th 30%, in 5 subjects best 3. Okay, as per notifications, 10th 30%, 11th 30%, 12th 40%, practicals also included. As per notifications, you also see that. Now we discussed the 10th mark based average theory component of best 3 performing subjects out of 5 subjects, only 30 marks percentage. Okay, average top 3 subjects will be calculated based on 3 marks below. Subjects, the 10th theory marks awarded, you get awarded language Tamil 71, language 2 English 70, Maths 73, Science 75, Social Sciences 65. Only this is a theory marks. Okay, this is a top 3 first top 3 75 out of 80, 73 out of 80, second top 71 out of 80 in 71, third top. So now we get best top 3 75, 73, 71. So the 10th top 3 30% marks na A into 30% na 30 by 100 na 0.3. So A into 0.3 na we get language Tamil 30%, 21.3, max 30%, 21.9. So science 75 marks, no, that is 30%, 22.5. So 21.3, 21.9, 22.5. So the average mark is calculated. Top 10th top 3 subject, total 30% marks divided by 3. So 21.9 our 10th mark average 30%, 21.9. Okay. So now we calculated 10th mark subject CBSE mark calculator. Now we discussed 11th mark based on theory component final year. Average 30% in each subject, theory marks will be calculated based on the mark. So, now we return the theory exam 11th, English 72, Maths is 76, Physics 65, Chemistry 63, Biology 62. So English and Maths out of 80, Physics, Chemistry, Biology out of 70. The total marks B equal to A into 0.3, that is 30 by 100 0.3. So 11th 30 marks, 30% marks is English 21.6, Maths 22.8, Physics 19.5, that is out of 70, Chemistry 18.9, Biology 18.6. So 11th total marks award 30% is 21.6, 22.8, 19.5, 18.9, 18.6. Okay, now we calculated 11th subject is over. As per notifications, now we discussed the 12th mark based on unit test, midterm, per board test 40% only. 12th theory marks English 71, Maths 73, Physics 62, Chemistry 67, Biology 63. English and Physics only the 80 marks. Physics, Chemistry, Biology only out of 70 marks. So theory, total theory 40% is converted, B equal to A into 0.4. So 40 divided by 100, that means 0.4. Okay, theory marks A into 0.4. So English 71, 40% is 28.4, Maths 29.2, Physics 24.8, Chemistry 26.8, Biology 25.2. So okay, now 12th mark is over. Now already taken 10th mark 21.9 my average. Okay, 10th. 11th already is taken 21.6, 22.8, 19.5, 18.9, 18.6 is the 30% marks. 10th 30%, 12th, 11th 30%. Now already taken 12th 40% theory marks, and your school given internal and practical awards marks almost sentence 20, English, Maths 20, Physics 30, Chemistry 30, Biology 30. So my total awards 100%, the column 4. So column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3 plus column B. So column 1 is a 10th mark, column 2 is a 11th mark, column B 40% 12th theory marks, column 3 internal and practical marks. So 1 plus 2 plus B plus 3 equal to 4. That is my total award 100% marks. 91.9, 93.9, 96.2, 97.6, 95.5. So my 12th mark 100% is got 476. My 12th CBC mark. Okay, my 12th CBC mark is 476 as per notifications. Therefore, to ensure the standardization, each school have internally moderate the marks for the school level variation by using the reliable reference standard. Internal moderate marks account for school level variations. Internally moderate the marks to account for school level variations. So mark are varied school level variations. As per notifications, historical performance of a school in the terms of best overall performance in the previous 3 years. Board exam will be taken as the reference for moderating marks assessed by the school 2021. For example, if a specific school the overall average student in 1718 is 72%, in 2018-19 is 74, and 1920 it is 71. So school will use the subject wise average. 18-19 is moderate, for which highest moderations which are highest moderations. Select the year, the performance, the year of the school. The range of plus or minus marks obtained by the student in the school, in the subject, in the reference year. So subject wise range plus or minus marks obtained by the student in the school, in the subject, in the reference year. So the mark are varied plus or minus marks obtained by the students in the school, in the subject, in the year, reference year. Hi viewers, are you interested in this video? Please subscribe to the channel and bell notifications also. Thank you.